Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install custom fonts on Elementor. So let's get into it. So I've just been on a free font website called thefont.com and I've downloaded a font called Arbitrino, which you can see here in my download folder, and this is the one that I want to install on my Elementor website. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the back end of your website and then hover over Elementor and go down to custom fonts and click on that. Once you're inside here, you're going to want to click on add new font at the top, and then you can give your custom font a name. In this case, I'm going to call it Arbitrino, which is the same name as the font that I downloaded, and then you need to click on add static font. And at this point there are different types of font files that you can install. In my case, I have downloaded a true type font, as you can see here. So a true type font is a TTF file. That's the type that we'll be uploading. Now normally when you download fonts, you'll get a lot of different font weights, and you'll upload multiple of these in here, as well as multiple styles like italic and oblique. But for the purposes of keeping this video simple, I've just got one font file, which is a normal weight and a normal style, so we can just leave these as they are. So now I want to upload my TTF file, so I'm going to come over to the upload button on the TTF file option and then drag over the downloads folder where my TTF file is and drag it into the media library, and then I'm going to click on select TTF file in the bottom right, and then I'm going to click on publish in the top right, and this will now install the font on the website. So now on the front end I can select this heading, and if I want to use the font I can select style and then come down to typography, and then you can go to family and scroll up, and under custom fonts you'll see Arbitrino, which you can then select, and as you can see that is now installed and working. It's a little bit of a weird looking font, but it works. So I hope this video has been useful. Please check out my other videos on the screen now, and remember to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.